Alright guys, have you seen this insane AI music cover trend that's quietly taking over YouTube right now? This channel, Sold Out, was created on September 26th of this year, and in just a few short weeks, it's exploded to over 150,000 subscribers and 10 million views. This is insane. And the crazy part is, while everyone's trying to figure out how to do this, these channels are operating with a specific formula, a blueprint that most people don't even know. The secret isn't just about using the AI, it's about how you use it. And that secret is what I'm exposing today. So this blueprint pays off. According to Social Blade, this channel is already making up to $39,000 a month just from YouTube ads. But here's the kicker. That's not even half the story. The ad revenue, that's just pocket change. Make sure you stick around till the end, because I'm not only giving you the complete 6-step blueprint to do this yourself, I'm also breaking down their entire monetization strategy and how they're pulling in an estimated $40,000 to $80,000 a month. I'm not holding anything back. But before we dive into step 1, let me show you exactly what that blueprint creates. Here's the final result.
You are appreciated. Yeah. Oh, mama, you are so appreciated.
Quick disclaimer before we start. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and I'm not guaranteeing any results. You're fully responsible for how you use this information. If you've already got your track, jump to step 2. For everyone else, this is the critical first step. Not every rap track has the emotional core for a soul classic. So, I built a foolproof prompt that finds tracks with the perfect emotional DNA for this. And don't worry, this prompt is in the Google Doc linked for you below. We'll copy the first prompt, head over to ChatGPT, paste it in, and let the AI do the work. And there we go, a perfect list of candidates. Look at these: Nas, Eminem, Kendrick Lamar. The AI nailed it. It didn't just give us random hits, it gave us stories. That's the raw material we need. This prompt is built to give you winners every time. For this tutorial, I'm going with number 4, Tupac's Dear Mama, a perfect candidate. Now that we have our song, it's time for the next step. Just open genius.com, search for your song, and click the official link. Here you will find the text already broken down into the exact structure we need for Suno AI. For now, just copy the entire text and paste it into a blank Google Doc. Now select everything and hit clear formatting. This gives us a clean slate to work with. First, we get rid of the junk. Any leftover links or annotations, select them and remove the link. We need pure text, nothing else. Next, and this is critical for the AI, remove these extra empty lines. You want each block of verse and chorus to be a solid, connected block of text. This tells the AI to treat it as one continuous thought, which is crucial for a good vocal performance. And one last cleanup. Suno will instantly block your song if it sees famous artist names in the lyrics. It's a hard-coded copyright rule. So we simplify this chorus tag and get rid of them. This is now perfectly clean for the AI. So let's copy the final text. Now it's time for the moment of truth, the Suno copyright check. This is where we find out which of the 2 master prompts I've prepared for you we're going to need. So we'll head over to Suno, click create on the left, and then go straight into custom mode. This gives us full control. Okay, the clean lyrics go right into the lyrics box. Now for the style prompt, I'm just grabbing a generic one from an old project I have here. This is just a test, so the style itself doesn't matter right now. All we're doing is checking if Suno will accept the lyrics. So we'll copy this, paste it in, give it a simple title, and now for the moment of truth. We hit create, let's see, and it's generating. Amazing! Suno did not block these lyrics. We got the green light. Now, I have to be honest, this won't always happen. Suno is getting stricter every day, but when you get lucky like this, it means we can take the simple path. We don't have to rewrite the song, we just have to enhance it. This means we can now use Plan A, our special enhancer prompt. This is the prompt that will take these original lyrics, keep them exactly as they are, and inject them with that authentic 1950s soul by adding classic ad-libs and background vocal cues. And at the same time, it will generate the final custom-style prompt we need to get that perfect sound. So let's do it and head back to our Google Doc file. Since our lyrics were accepted, we're using prompt 2, the refiner. Now, quick note, if Suno had blocked your lyrics, you would use prompt 3, the creative transformer. This is the one that intelligently rewrites the song to bypass the filter while keeping its soul. We don't need it today, but it's your foolproof backup plan. So for plan A, we'll copy the refiner prompt marked in green. Start a fresh ChatGPT session, paste it in. Now we grab our clean lyrics from the other doc and paste them right where it says insert lyrics here. Let's send it. And boom, just like that. Output 1. Our original lyrics, now perfectly enhanced with soulful ad-libs. And output 2. Our custom unique style prompt engineered just for this song. Okay, copy our new enhanced lyrics from output 1. Now back to Suno. We'll clear out the old lyrics and paste in our new enhanced version. Now, critical pro tip. See this extra text next to the chorus tag? We have to delete that. If you don't, the AI will try to sing it. We want it perfectly clean. All right, now we go back to ChatGPT one last time, copy our custom style prompt from output 2, and paste that right into the styles box in Suno. Okay, everything is in place. We'll give it a title like Dear Mama, and now we're ready. Let's hit create. Suno is now generating 2 completely unique versions based on our exact instructions. All right, they're done. Now for the quality check. Let's listen to the first version. Did the AI follow our script? Did it capture that emotion?
You are appreciated.
Oh wow, listen to that. It's following our text perfectly. This is a winner. So I'm downloading this one now. We go to the 3 dots, click download, and you'll get this pop-up about commercial rights. Now this is important. Suno is reminding you that with the free plan, you can't use this song commercially, meaning you can't upload it to Spotify. But for creating a YouTube video like this, we're good to go. So we'll just click download anyway. The hard part is done. But to make this go viral, we need that single, iconic image that plays through the entire video, just like the sold out channel does. That brings us to our next step. And instead of guessing, we're going to reverse engineer the original thumbnail using AI itself. Trust me, this is a game changer for getting perfect results fast. So let's do it. First, we need our reference image. So we're heading to YouTube, straight to the sold out channel. I'll search for Dear Mama and there it is. Now, you might think it's a bad thing that this already exists, but for us it's perfect because it gives us a professional thumbnail we can use as our reference. Click on that video and thanks to the vidIQ extension on the right, we can download this thumbnail with one click. Next, we head to a fresh ChatGPT session for the magic part. We'll upload that thumbnail we just saved and simply ask the AI, create a prompt for DALL-E 3 to recreate this exact image of me. Let's see what it does. And look at that. The AI analyzes the image and gives us a powerful, detailed prompt. This is our golden starting point. Let's copy it. But before we create our image, let me show you something powerful in the Google Doc, a color palette library. These are 5 distinct styles to completely change the mood. We have vintage red and amber, deep blue and copper, smoky monochrome, burgundy and brass, and gold neon contrast. For this tutorial, we'll aim for that burgundy and brass look. Keep that in mind. All right, let's open a new chat. We'll tell it, create a picture from this prompt and paste in the prompt we just copied. Pro tip, I'll change the neon sign text from sold out version to AI music video to make it our own and send. Okay, first result. The foundation is there, but the likeness isn't quite right. Time to refine. We'll tell it, can you make it look like the late rapper Tupac and add this color palette? And then we just paste in our burgundy and brass style from the Google Doc. Let's see the difference. Whoa. Okay, now we're talking. The mood is perfect, the likeness is getting closer. But I want one final change to make it truly iconic. Let's tell it, almost done, high quality image, perfectly matching our vibe, created in under 2 minutes. We'll just download our final version. We now have our song and our image. The final step is to bring them together, and for that, we're heading over to CapCut. First, let's get our assets in. I'll open my File Explorer, grab the finished song and our final image, and drag them both directly into the import window. Okay, to get the song onto the timeline, we'll hover over it and click the little blue plus button. Now for the image, we do the exact same thing, and here's the key. You'll see the image is too short. So just click on its right edge and drag it all the way out to match the full length of the audio track. Now for some clean branding. We'll go to the text tab on the top left, click add text, and I'll type AI music video. I'll pick a style that fits the vibe, resize it by grabbing the corner, and drag it right into position. And just like with the image, we'll drag the end of the text clip on the timeline so it stays for the whole video. All right, now for the animated captions. Click the captions tab on the left, then auto lyrics, and just hit create. And just like that, CapCut's AI generates every single word. To style them, we click on the Templates tab. Scroll down to find a look you like. I'm going with this one. A quick click, then I'll just drag the text box on the screen to adjust the final position, and boom, animated professional captions in under a minute, all right? Let's take a look at our final creation.
Oh, mama, you are appreciated. Yeah.
Look at that. The custom song, the single iconic image, the professional animated captions, it all comes together perfectly. This is the exact formula. All that's left is to export. Click the export button in the top right, click into the name field and give it a title. In my case, AI Music Video. Dear Mama. Double check that you're exporting in high quality and hit export. And just like that, you have the complete blueprint to create these viral videos from start to finish. But now for the question you've all been waiting for. How does a channel like Sold Out actually make serious money with this? And I'll give you a hint, it's not just from YouTube ads. Let's break down the monetization strategy. All right, we're back on the Sold Out channel. The secret is right in their channel description. Watch this, we click here, and bam! Forget YouTube ads for a second. Look at this. Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music. This is their #1 income stream. Let's click the Spotify link. And check this out, they are a verified artist with 961,000 monthly listeners. Now let's do some quick math. At an estimated 0.0003 per stream, if every listener plays just 4 songs a month, that's already over $11,500 a month from Spotify alone. But the question is, how is this legal? And here is the secret that makes this entire business model work. They use a music distributor like it or TuneCore. When they upload the AI-generated song, they simply declare, "This is a cover song." That's the magic key. The distributor then automatically handles the legal part. They buy the required mechanical license and ensure that the original songwriters, in our case Tupac's estate, get their fair share of the royalties from every single stream. You get paid for your unique AI performance, and the original creator gets paid for their lyrics. It's a win-win, and it doesn't stop there. Back on their channel, we have the other streams like Apple and Amazon, and of course the merchandise link. They've built a brand that sells high-profit products like hoodies and glasses. So when you add it all up, the massive legal streaming income, the high-profit merch, and the YouTube ads, it's not crazy to estimate that this channel is generating anywhere from $20,000 to potentially over $40,000 a month. That is the power of this trend right now. So there you have it. You now have the complete blueprint. You have the prompts, the workflow, and the monetization strategy. There's nothing holding you back from creating your own AI music video channel right now. And if this tutorial helped you, a like and a sub would be amazing. And now go create something incredible. Thanks for watching. Peace.